Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss magic of the Python in chapter 2. Let's fun with Python. Who is genie in Python? The computer are like magical spirits that we can harness for our work. Unfortunately, those spirits only understand a very arcane language that we don't know. What we need is a friendly genie that can direct the spirits to fulfill our wishes. Our genie is Python interpreter. What is the best way to learn Python? We can give instruction to the Python interpreter and it directs the underlying spirits to carry out our demands. We can communicate with genie through a special language of spells and process. The best way to start learning about Python is let our genie out of the bottle and try some spells. When we start the interpreter program, you may see something like the following: license and date. Next, the three arrow signs is a Python prompt indicating that the genie is writing for us to give it a command. What is statement? In programming language, a complete command is called statement. Example: print hello world. Then we are getting the output hello world. First statement asks Python to display the literal phrase hello world. Python responds on the next line by printing the phrase. Second program: print 2 plus 3. Then we are getting 5. Above, first statement asks Python to print the sum of 2 and 3. Next line, print combines these two ideas. Below statement prints the part in quotes 2 plus 3 is equal to, followed by the result of adding 2 plus 3, which is 5. See the statement. Print in quotes 2 plus 3 is equal to, after that comma, then 2 plus 3 for addition. Then we are getting the output 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let us put a sequence of statements together. Now, what is function? Create a brand new command called function. What is function? Sequence of statement together or create a brand new command called a function. Example, function called hello. See the word def. This is the keyword and is start of the function header. It is the start of the function header. And hello is the function name and colon tells end of the function header. After that hello function, in this hello function we are printing two lines. Print hello, second statement print computer are fun. First line tells Python that we are defining a new function called hello. The following line are indicated to show that they are part of the hello function. The blank line obtained by hitting the enter twice lets Python know that the definition is finished and the interpreter responds with another prompt. A function is invoked by typing its name. Here is what happens when we use our hello command. Hello is the function name. Then we are getting hello and computer are fun, two statements. Do you see what this does? The two print statements from the hello function are executed in sequence. Commands can have changeable parts called parameter that are placed within the parentheses, means brackets. See here, function name is grade and parameter is person. After that, putting the colon, function header is closed. We are printing two lines, hello person and how are you. Now we can use our customized greeting. The name of the function is greet. Then we are changing the parameter name John. After that we are getting hello John, how are you. Second example, greet Emily. Hello Emily, how are you? This is our output. Can you see what is happening here? When we use greet, we can send different names to customize the result. Thank you